Are you tired of targeting the same saturated audiences? Learn how to uncover untapped segments your competitors are already exploiting in under 3 minutes. We'll use Semrush's audience overlap tool to compare your site with competitors and spot gaps. Here's the step-by-step process. Start by heading to your Semrush folders to organize your data. Then, click on Traffic and Market to explore the competitive landscape. Now, select Audience Overlap from the menu to see how your audience compares. Once you're in the Audience Overlap tool, click on the highlighted area to begin. Next, click on Add Competitors to bring in the rivals you want to analyze. After adding your competitors, click Analyze to run the comparison. Now, click Analyze to run the comparison. Use these insights to identify gaps and expand your reach. Happy targeting! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.